Ladies and gentlemen.
Rise and grind. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Frank, Visionary Street Customs. We're out here, man. New day, new project. 2001 Honda Accord. This project here has a story, man. This was actually my first car I ever bought from a dealership back in 2002. Yeah, we're dating it back. We're dating it back just a little bit. It's been through a lot. So when I first bought it, I had it up until 2002 to 2006. I went to the Navy. When I left the Navy, I gave it to my boy Josh. He actually took over payments for me while I was away. When I got back, I took back over the car, and then I ended up selling it to my little brother Joey, Jody, out here on IG. Give him a follow. He had it for years. He took it from where I had it, which was the Fast and the Furious days. I had the whole body kit, all that fun stuff. For the times, it was right. You know what I mean? But then he went and took it into the Stance Nation, threw some crazy wide work wheels on it, did a motor swap, did quite a bit to the car. So took good care of it. Had it, I would call it just about show ready for a while. And then he had some setbacks, we'll just call it, where the car went through some body damages, and it sat for a long time to where he wasn't doing much with it. I made an offer on it that he accepted, and here she is. So 2001 Honda Accord. Now, why did I pick this up? One, she has some sentimental value to me. But we're gonna do a full restoration on this thing. I know the video doesn't pick it up much, but we're gonna go in on some close-ups just so you can see. So, scratches. I mean, sun fading. It's been out there in the elements. Bumper needs new tint badly. She's not terrible, guys, but yes, she has some dents, she has some scratches, some sun fading, needs new tint. You can see some rust elements if it's picking it up. Some alignment issues on the bumper. Some of the gaskets and grommets, you know, need to be replaced. Alignment on panels. There's some, you know, he rolled these fenders and had crazy wide wheels, so you know that happens. But he did do a big brake swap on it. I'm gonna show you the magic. I'm gonna show you the magic right here. Woo! That gem though. Tuned H23. I may miscalculate this, but I believe it tuned at 227 horsepower to the wheels. So that's not bad for an all motor build, especially on a big body sedan Accord. But we're about to load it up on trailer. We're gonna get it out to paint. We just towed it in on Thursday, so it is Monday morning, and this is gonna be the project at hand. So stay tuned, guys. You know, gonna give it that touch. Visionary Street Customs. We're gonna go ahead and bring her back to life, get her over to auto body, get all the dents pulled out, get everything realigned, fresh new paint, and she'll be coming back. Tell you guys what's happened next with her. I do have a plan, as usual, but just wanted to introduce you to the project at hand. We do have others. So the GTO is still under construction. You guys don't see much of it, and honestly, since the last video I dropped, she had a wrap. She went GT2 on her. So much has been done to that and still under works, but I will drop a video on her. But as of right now, 2001 Honda Accord. Stay tuned for the progress, the restoration, and let's bring this baby back to life in true visionary fashion. Let's go. Hope you guys have a great day, man. Stay hungry, stay grinding, stay blessed as usual. It's your boy, Frank Visionary.
Ladies and gentlemen.